empty oven inside, anything. And this is quite an old barbecue, probably 15 years old. Removing grease, or a lot of dirt from anywhere initially. Hidden secret, Ubix 2000. It's about £5 something for this. It's 5 litres. It's the best degreaser cleaner you'll find anywhere. You have to order it online from what you might call a janitorial suppliers, made by Clover Chemicals. It is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Their telephone number 01663 733 114, cloverchemicals.com. I'm not sure if they supply direct, but they certainly steer you where you can get it from. But it is the best stuff I've used in 30 years. The other hidden secret, dirt busters. A safe and environmentally friendly way to clean ovens. This will clean anything. This works. It's not chemical related, but it's a sort of natural thing. And basically, you need to pop some of this in hot boiling water. If you're doing it at home yourself, the hotter it is, the better it is. People use this professional oven cleaning companies, and they'll have a tank and they'll boil it away. If you've got something you can boil a large tin or barrel of water on, even better. Just drop it in, and this stuff, after time, will just take the toughest of stuff off it, just take it away. If you've got a really bad oven or barbecue, you just put a scoop of that in it and it will take it all off, just takes it off.
Is this the same people,
Same,
Dirt Busters?
yeah, Dirt
Can we
Busters.
see that?
This
Has it got tape on it?
I mean, I bought this.
Commercial dip
This
tank
is a
powder.
booster.
So this is,
You stick some of that in, and then you put a bit of cap of that in. That will clean it. You can use clean ovens, you know, your gas rings or your oven rings. You could have a large pot on your top of your oven. This will strip it all off, but it does. I'm not saying this is the cleanest barbecue.
we should make a note. So we bought this second hand from an auction. We've cleaned it as much as we can clean it. It's not being cleaned from new, that's what I'm saying.
See how old it is.
So we've done a clean recently. We thought we would just share some of the chemicals we had lying around, but it will clean it right up. It's a hell of a lot better now than it was. So
if you bought a tub of this and 5 litres of that, and share it with your family, you'd be keeping your barbecue cleans, your oven cleans, and everything else clean. But definitely get some of that.
yeah, that's really good stuff.
So,
You can use it on virtually anything, that stuff.
I mean, all I did was soaked it and give it a bit of a wide brush, really. But it did bring it all up. It has cleaned it all up.
And you can make up a solution and just put it on it, can't you?
Yeah, I mean, the reason I'm just sharing this about these chemicals is that I know from experience they work.
So there's that one.
You won't be wasting your money.
It's commercial grade type stuff.
Yeah.
So if you do barbecuing all the time in the
Wear
summer,
some
you want to
gloves.
get it.
Yeah. The best thing is just one of the cheapest solutions is just to have a. Let's go this way. How I did it. See how I did it. It's just a fermentation bin, and I've just filled it up with boiling water.
So this is Richie's fermentation
and
bin.
dropped
Yeah.
everything in it. The hotter the water is, the better for this stuff. If you're doing it at home, do it yourself, but it does strip it all off. Wire brush to agitate a bit on the grills. The best thing is to soak it. You can soak it. These chemicals do the work for you. Anyway, hope it's been useful to you, informative, and like to help us along a little bit. We've helped you along with your barbecue.